Right guys, I hope you're all happy and well. I'm back out on a dig, meeting Tony up there today. We're on 1800s part at tip, first part at day. Maybe second part at day we might go up to 1920s to 1940s part, don't know, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, bit of an early dig today, so yeah, let's crack on and see what we can find. Right guys, just got up here, just bumped into finding treasure AD. Have you found out decent? A few bits and bats.
Yeah.
Fletcher's bottle.
Yep. Bit of tail.
But yeah, let's crack on. Right guys, my first find is probably a little Wendy House porcelain cup. I've found a couple of these before in the past. This one's a little chip though there. Right guys, I've just found this. At first I thought it was a bottle stopper, but then I saw a little like a screw design. I'm guessing, could it have been maybe some sort of fancy cocktail stirrer, a broken one. Right guys, I've been digging for at least 20 minutes now in this area, but I'm not going to give up on it. I'm going to keep going. This is the first interesting bottle really. I have dug them before. Nice triangle. Probably I think just 1890s to 1900 maybe. They are quite decorative. Not much of a label on it, but yeah, it's a find. So yeah, let's keep on going. Oh look, some bubbles in there. Some nice bubbles. Right, a really big med bottle's just fallen out. Looks to be plain, but that is it's a monster, that, isn't it? Yep, big plain med bottle. Well, something else with a nice design on it. What's broken? What a shame. A nice porcelain, looks like a basket or something. Right, next find, we have a mason jar lid, an aqua colour one. Sometimes these have got some writing on them, but this one's a plain one, but it's still a nice colour. So I think I'll clean that up, take it home. Well, what can I say? A lot of things are coming out broken in this area, but we have a vegetable dish here. Best white English ironstone. Well, a nice bit of a blue cup's come out with a nice design on it. Cushy. Well, everything in this area seems to be broke, but I've come across a bottle that's intact, but it's a plain one. A very old one, but a plain one. And I think it survived because it was in like a little cavity in between two bits of Yorkshire stone. So them big bits of Yorkshire stones probably protected it from being crushed. So yeah, nice aqua one. It's a plain one, but we'll keep on going. Well guys, we have something that's I'm very surprised that's intact. Look at that. Looks like a boat. Well guys, what can I say? We have a Melbourne brewery, but unfortunately it's broke. A nice little blob top. Gutted. I do have one at home though, but it's always nice to dig another one. Right guys, I've just had a bit of a cave in. This brick just missed my head. Look at that. Little centipede. But yeah, I just had a cave in. We've got a bottle. With the looks of it, it could be intact. Don't know if there's out on it yet, but we have another one of these. Don't know whether it's paintable. Probably could paint that. Yeah, I'll give it a go. But let's see what this bottle is. Please be a good one. Let's have a look. Has it got out on it? Come on. Oh, buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. Oh, buzzing, buzzing. I'm not sure if that's a little warped. Oh, has it got a crack in it? It's got a big crack in it. Gutted. Well, a nice big viral, it looks of it, has just fallen out. Yep, I'll definitely be taking this one home. Could always stick something in them. Big enough for pencils, paintbrushes, flowers, oh. So yeah. Guys, I'm just shoveling this soil out here, and I looked out the corner of my eye thinking it might have been broken. Picked up this little tile, and this for me has got to be the find of the day for me. Let's give it a wipe. Look at that tile, all intact. Queen Victoria, 1837 to 1897. I am buzzing with that. That is one of my best finds. Right, his next find is, let's have a look, a Woods Chemist, London. Let's have a look, clean it up a bit more. Cushy. Well guys, shame about this. This has just fallen out, melted. But it's the first one I've seen that's like a purpley blue colour. At first I thought, could it be something inside? But no, the glass is actually purpley blue. But it's melted, which is a shame. I don't know whether to keep that. I might keep that. Yeah, I might keep that. Clean it up. Well, it shows you they are here. It's just finding them intact. This one probably would have been a nice one. It's got a little star there up top. And it says A15 there. Not sure if it's said out else here, but it's got a star there, so not sure, but shows you they're here. Let's try and find them. Right, one of these have come out all intact. A nice flat surface there. One that's potentially going to be one to paint up. So once I paint this one up, I'll obviously show you it when I decide what to put on it. But cushy. Right, this has just fallen out. It's all intact. They are quite nice. Nice aqua colour. Early bottles. Couple of little bruises on it, but yeah, lovely. Right, we've had a bit of a cave in here. If you look here, we have a bottle. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh yes, get in. Buzzin star. What's that say? Pottery. Don't know what that means, but I will definitely take that. That is a beauty. Lovely little flask. Something to look up when I get home. Right, the next find to come out of all this rusty rubble is a nice little stone ink. Unfortunately, it's got no writing on it at all. I don't think it's got any stamp marks. No. But it's a nice one. Right. A nice little miniature Yorkshire relish has popped out, an early one. We've had a few of these now on this tip. But these little ones, I tend to like to take these home. Nice little aqua colour. So yeah, happy with that. Well, look at that. That's an interesting little bottle. Little tiny one. Well, we have our first bovril of the day. Once again. Little 2 ounce. Tall neck. Looks in nice condition. Lovely. Right, next little find. A little sheer lip. Victorian. Nice little bubbles in there. Right, I've dug a few of these now. I haven't filmed them all. I have filmed a few, but there's also one there, I think. But these little pot jars, marmalade jars, I'm going to start taking them home and painting them. So there's a little one here I'm going to paint up, clean up, and see what I can do with. Yeah. Let's see what this one is. Let's try and get this one out. Let's have a look what we got. Oh, hello, what we got. And it's a broken one. Oh well. Nevertheless, we've got the little mini one. Right guys, just where I found that broken marmalade there, look what's fallen out. It looks to be a little whiskey flask or something. Let's have a look. It's chipped. What a shame. It's a plain one, but it is an old one. It's got the letters A433 on it, on bottom. But yeah, definitely an old one, but chipped, unfortunately. And I've got a nice, what looks a bit biggish bottle. Oh, hello. We've also got a little melted one. A little sheer lip. But this one looks like a big beer bottle of some sort. I'm just hoping it's intact. Oh, look at the size of that. Oh, hello. Look at the size of that. Now, guess what? It's a plain one. But that is one big bottle. Look at that. It's a beauty. Shame it didn't have it on it though. Let's see if we got one on bottom. No. No, not on bottom. Nice big green one though. Right. I've just come across a poison bottle. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yep, I think you can. All the compression cracks in there. It is a S Savile and Son Limited Leeds poison bottle. It's all intact, but like I say, it's got a load of compression cracks. You can just see them, you know, glycerin there, glycerin with light. Right, this little plain bottle's just fallen out. I have dug them before, slightly smaller. This is a slightly bigger one, but I do like the shoulders on them, leading up to the neck. They are quite decorative. Cushy. Well guys, that's me done for today. I must say I'm absolutely shattered. I was up quite early this morning, about 5 o'clock. Didn't get home till, well, didn't go to bed till 2. So yeah, I'm pretty shattered today, but I still come out. At first it started off slow. But it's weird because past couple of digs I felt that it started off slow, and then I started getting a few decent finds, and that's what's happened today. But yeah, I'm quite happy with finds I've got. One of my favourite finds got to be this one. Got to be this. The Queen Victoria. You know, that is definitely a keeper. It has a few scratches on it, but it's to be expected. It's been underground for a long time, but I'm going to try clean it up best I can and see how it turns out. So yeah, I'm going to say peace out, and I'll see you on the next dig.